In this video, we review Fidelity Roth IRA. Have you used Fidelity Roth IRA before? What was your experience? Leave your Fidelity Roth IRA review in the comments section below. The Roth IRA has gained popularity as a favored retirement savings vehicle, with over 27 million accounts holding nearly $1 trillion in assets in the United States. Fidelity Investments, a prominent player in the financial services industry, offers a Roth IRA that appeals to both novice and experienced investors. An astonishing statistic reveals that Fidelity's customers can potentially grow their investments without ever incurring taxes on qualified withdrawals, thanks to the tax-free nature of Roth IRAs. However, understanding the intricacies of Fidelity's offerings is crucial for making informed decisions. Fidelity's Roth IRA provides several advantages that make it an attractive option for investors. One significant benefit is the lack of account minimums. Many financial institutions require a substantial initial deposit, deterring potential investors. Fidelity's zero account minimum allows individuals to start saving for retirement regardless of their financial situation. This inclusivity empowers more people to take charge of their financial futures. Furthermore, Fidelity offers an extensive range of investment options within its Roth IRA. Investors can choose from thousands of mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, stocks, bonds, and even target date funds. This diverse selection enables individuals to tailor their portfolios according to their risk tolerance and investment goals, providing flexibility not commonly found elsewhere. Another noteworthy aspect is Fidelity's commitment to low costs. The company provides a vast array of commission-free ETFs and no-load mutual funds, ensuring that investors can maximize their returns without being weighed down by high fees. Moreover, the platform boasts an intuitive user interface, making it easy for even novice investors to navigate. Fidelity's educational resources are another highlight. From articles and videos to webinars, the company offers a wealth of information designed to enhance investors' understanding of the markets and investment strategies. Despite these advantages, there are some drawbacks to consider. One notable disadvantage is that while Fidelity provides a broad selection of investment choices, it lacks the same level of personal financial advice that some other institutions offer. For individuals who prefer a more hands-on approach or who lack investment knowledge, the absence of personalized guidance may be a significant concern. Additionally, while Fidelity's platform is user-friendly, some investors may find it overwhelming due to the sheer volume of options available. This could potentially lead to decision paralysis, where investors struggle to make choices due to the abundance of choices. Security is another important consideration. Fidelity's platform is generally regarded as secure, with robust measures in place to protect users' information. However, as with any online platform, risks do exist. Investors must remain vigilant against phishing attempts and ensure they use strong, unique passwords to safeguard their accounts. In terms of contributions, the Roth IRA allows individuals to contribute after-tax income, which means that withdrawals during retirement are tax-free. This feature is particularly appealing to younger investors who anticipate being in a higher tax bracket in the future. However, one must adhere to contribution limits set by the IRS, which may impact higher earners who wish to contribute more. In conclusion, Fidelity's Roth IRA presents a compelling option for retirement savings. The combination of no account minimums, a wide range of investment choices, low costs, and comprehensive educational resources positions it favorably among competitors. However, potential investors should weigh these advantages against the limitations, particularly the lack of personalized guidance and the complexity that may arise from the diverse offerings. Ultimately, Fidelity's Roth IRA can be an excellent tool for those looking to secure their financial future, provided they approach it with a clear strategy and understanding.